While you debate skinny versus straight leg, Levi Strauss is making clear its position on gun control comes in just one size. Chip Berg, the president and CEO of Levi's, wrote an op-ed this week titled "Why Business Leaders Need to Take a Stand on Gun Violence," writing, "You may wonder why a company that doesn't manufacture or sell guns is wading into this issue, but for us, it's simple. Americans shouldn't have to live in fear of gun violence." Berg pledged $1 million to nonprofits working to end gun violence and says employees can use paid hours for political activism. But how will all of this affect the company's bottom line?
I absolutely care about the companies and their values.
Jasmine Aguilera is a Levi's customer and is pleased to learn about the company's position on gun control.
Now it makes me want to buy them even more.
In a tweet, the National Rifle Association criticized the jean maker's partnership with Everytown for Gun Safety, saying their mission is to disarm law-abiding citizens.
That's my concern all the time of the gun rights.
Dan York is a gun owner. He was wearing Levi's when we met him at an East Bay gun club and says he'll continue to buy and wear the brand. But he is worried about Levi's approach to gun violence.
Everyone's against gun violence, but how are they going to stop that? I mean, are they going to try to stop guns? Or are they going to stop? They're going to do education.
Berg says to start, he'd like criminal background checks on all gun sales.